1885, the magical number, played out beautifully yesterday. Those who watched me in my weekly review and my daily review, I have mentioned 1885 several times since beginning of this week. And yesterday it has achieved, first of all, the achieving of 1885. Yes, we expected this to happen. And the retracement from those levels also, we had mentioned, yes, this is a great resistance. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect today from gold? Can we expect a bullish candle today? Can we break past 1885 and move towards 1890? Or there is a possibility of a retracement from here? Which position you should take trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts. Let's start. We'll start with the early charts. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, please press the like button. Do share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, share is a great support motivation for me to deliver twice a day analysis and weekly review as well to the best of my abilities. And to stay updated with my latest review, you can press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. See, if you look at the hourly charts, 1868.67, it has precisely come back to the levels here. There is a greater support appears to be at these levels. We have seen again gold retracing from the same levels here. At the same time, if you look at the resistance at 1875 is again going to remain important. Any rise above 1875 should bring little bullishness, and one can look forward to again gold to back into 1880, 1885 levels. The probability will increase here if it stays above 1875 levels. If you look at the moving averages, those are trading with divergence have started to converge a bit, but they have not crossed over. If you also look at the stock stochastic, this is back to overbought zone, while MACD, which was trading with extreme divergence, is now willing to converge crossover for a buying position. The RSI looking upwards is staying slightly bullish. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2-hour charts, see, prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged here and getting the support, now trying to retrace a bit. Now this is still a retracement unless and until the previous highs are breached. If you look at the movement here, you will observe, see, previously higher lows, higher highs are seen. The prices have already breached the channel here. That is very important. But at the same time, it has not breached the previous support, and hence I will wait for it to break past 1868 levels in order to confirm the drop there. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising from the oversold, while MACD is still trading bearish. It is trading with divergence. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3, on the 3-hour chart, this is precisely taken the support from the 20 period and now trying to retest. Now this is 20 period moving average have become a critical support for now, because below that certainly the bearishness may prevail. Now if it is bearish, what is going to happen is, see, this drop, retracement towards 1878 or 1880 levels, and from there again a drop can be expected here if and only if it stays above 1880, 1885 levels. Remember, the bulls will take it to the further highs, and then the target is going to be towards $1,900. The possibility for this also exists. But if you look at the 3-hour charts, what is happening? See, the bearishness has diminished here. This is retracement. The greener candles are of smaller size here. They are not willing to break past this resistance. Now I will definitely observe how it behaves at around 1875. A reversal from there should be taken as a bearish indication. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels, while look at MACD. Now MACD has crossed over at the top. See, it is crossed over at plus 10 levels, and look at the rise here. The rise has come from minus 15 to plus 10, and hence a retracement must be seen at some point of time. But if you look at right now, it is trying to trade with a bearish bias. However, candle size has flattened here, and hence this gives me a bit of caution that if it tries to converge from here, certainly crossover is something which I don't expect, but these are markets, anything is possible. Though right now the space on the downside is wide open, and hence little bearishness might prevail here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, it has dropped. Now on the 4-hour chart, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here. Since then, we have seen the prices staying bullish. Also, if you look at the 4-hour charts here, it has taken the support here from the 100 period moving average, and right now forming a symmetrical formation. Look at these two candles. The next candle is something which I will wait for. If the next candle stays bullish, takes the prices above 1875, certainly we can say that 78-80 levels should be achieved, and staying above 80 is where the bulls will try to take over again for 85 and 90 levels. Stochastic is oversold. MACD. Now look at MACD. This is just crossed over, trading with divergence. And if you look at this crossover, this is happening at a higher and elevated levels. This calls for a little retracement on the downside. RSI overbought, and it has come out of the overbought zone. Now on the daily chart, if you look at the previous candle had a red body. It has seen that the price is not willing to stay bullish. It has come down sharply, taking the support precisely from the 20 period. Now today it has given a flat opening and it is continuing to rise. Now in general, it appears that after such a candle the prices again tries to move upwards. Only cases where it breaks the previous lows and moves downward, then it should be treated as a reversal. It can try to erase all the gains of this candle and 1860 level. The chances appears to be less. I expect it to still stay bullish here. The stochastic is overbought and it is trying to drop a bit. While look at MACD, it is trading with divergence. It is trading bullish. It is staying bullish. It is looking upwards. And if you look at the MACD here, see the waves, and this wave might continue for a while, and hence today might be again we may see little bullishness here in gold, where we can look forward to 1878, 1880 levels probably. RSI coming out of the oversold. Now, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 24th batch, 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Now, coming to the trading levels, and yes, before leaving the video, just like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. That's a great motivation, and join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, first of all, I'll recommend you to buy here at 1875. I expect gold to retrace towards 1878, 1880 levels at least. When I say at least, the probability is higher that it can try to achieve these levels, though nothing is sure in the markets, but I will always use the word probability. And it is higher that it may try to reclaim 1878, 1880 levels. And beyond 1880, we may see further bullishness. And you always know that 1880, 1885 is a greater resistance zone, which yes may prove out to be a greater resistance. Beyond 1885 is where the bulls might try to take over, and then 1890 is the first target. Then 1900 is what I will be looking forward to, if not today, possibly next week, but these levels might get achieved if it stays above 1885. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only at 1870, 1868 levels. Yes, the prices, if it stays below 1868, you can sell here. Then 1865 is what it should break, and then I will look forward to 1859.60. 59.60 is a great support zone, and hence you have to trade with caution there. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.